is really an alignment of what we are doing right now here in the province in our education program. Because in the province, we have our best province program. I'm sure you're familiar with that already. The Bulig Eskwela sa Probinsya program for effective, relevant, and transformative education system in the province of Iloilo. And this Alalay program, your Alalay program, this strengthens our program in the transformative part. We also have we have this voter education program, and I understand this project, this collaboration is really aligned to that, and it really strengthens the program as we develop this. It becomes part of the mainstream guidance programs of the educational system of the whole provinces. So thank you very much for this legal guidance program in helping us guide our secondary students in the issues that concerns them right now. And perhaps one of it, in the issues that concerns the electoral process, our voter education program is geared towards that. And I understand that a part of this program is also geared towards that. And through this legal guidance system, we are not only fleshing out issues, we are not only giving legal guidance to those. As we have said before in our Bulig Eskwela programs, we are really building institutions. That's what we are doing. We are trying to go, number one, our education system is geared towards creating the human resource that the country needs. So what we want to address is the gap. We want to bridge the gap between the educational system and the human resource that we are producing. And we will address that through our career guidance and counseling. We want our educational system to produce the human resources that the government and the economy needs.